Unong aikitin ke Sorkar jela apol lengdo ulong baban pendunai ke jengkak miak ke Sor Shillong. Ke Sorkar jela kala ai ke jeng Mynjur ban Pynkynriah ano ke Police Reserve bat an bono Tynring. Ha ka New Shillong Township ha ke ban mang ya ke jaka ke Sanpau akar naga benta ban shnai ke Police Reserve ke Batamai. Oleh itu bagi kam ken sedang nok shen ban shnai ke Police Reserve ke Batamai bat dia mentai ken sedang syaw ban Pynkynriah shan New Shillong. Bat an serai ke ai ke ban le ke jaka jeng ke Police Reserve anda glatli. Baru long ru baya ka jail ru an sa Pynkynriah bat ken sa shemekarai ke ai ke ban le ya ken ke jaka hadien.
Further decongest the city of Shillong, the police reserve will now be relocated at Tynring, which is under the new Shillong township. An area of 50 acres will be allotted for the creation of a new police reserve at Tynring, and this particular area will also serve as a corridor between the administrative city and the knowledge city of the new Shillong township. The cabinet has approved this particular proposal, and we will go ahead with the setting up of the police reserve, which will also help in the process of decongesting the state capital. The plan now is we will decongest the area. The jail will also be shifted, and we will then this will a proposal of what happens to the plots of land will then be put up by the Department of Urban Affairs.
Not yet decided.
No, not yet. We will first move to New Shillong and then decide on what we do with the plots of land that will be made free once the police reserve moves out of there. The state jail will also move out, and we will then decide on what we will use with these, because the need of the city are multiple, and those will be addressed by the department concerned.